Good evening. Today we are going to talk about reading skills. We are going to talk about reading skills by developing a technique that is called comprehensive learning and cooperative learning. This is through a class. The main objective of this class is to develop reading and comprehension skills by using cooperative learning technique during a regular 45 minutes class. Focus on a group of students with different ages. The group of students should be able to answer 10 given questions about the text. The level of those students is Basic English 1. Okay, the step one of our technique that we are going to cover today is guessing the text context by making predictions based on a picture. The teacher in this particular situation will share with the students a picture related with the text, and students will take turns to guess what is the meaning of the context, what is the text related to, if they have any clue or any word that they need to understand before the text is covered. This is in order to make students to be interested in the text before even reading it, to make them prepared and make them aware of what is going to happen. It's like pre-establish an idea about the text. The second step that we will cover, divide the class in two groups and assign half of the text to each group. So we will take a text. In this case, is Go Turtle Go. It's a story about a turtle. Is Basic English 1, and half of the story will go for group number 1, and half of the story will go for group number 2. And they will read it. They will analyze every aspect of the text, vocabulary, context, idiomatic expressions, and everything. And after each group separated, analyze each section, we will go to step number 3. Step number 3 will be assigning questions. Assigning 10 questions that they need to answer together. The cooperative learning is based on students how to cooperate with each other and have to use each other's ideas to help everyone to understand the full text. For example, the half of the students that have the beginning of the story will have to collaborate with the half of the students that have the other side of the story. They will have 10 questions, three sections of three questions, and one final 10 question that is related with the activity, not with the text, to see how they feel about having half of the text and ignoring part of the other section, and to grab some details about the experience that we have covered. In this particular scenario, students will have to work together. We will mix the class again. All of them will be together again, and then they will have to work to answer those questions. By the end of the class, in the last 5 minutes, the teacher will do a recap with all the students and let them know what was the purpose of the activity, and ask some of them, one or two of them, about details of the experience that they share with the classmates. What is the purpose of the whole activity? The purpose of the whole activity is to identify if by making these particular steps, students consider the text a little bit more interesting, and also develop cooperative skills as the same side as reading skills. Well, this is one of the techniques that can be used for making a reading analysis to be a little bit fun. And that's for my presentation. Hope you like it.